ready to see what's in the box? Let's do it. Oh, I'm just kidding. What's up, guys? Welcome to Maine RC Kings. Today I got my new rig in, so I'm going to tear into it and we're going to check it out. I already charged my smart battery here. We got the 4S 100C, so already charged up because I knew my truck was coming. Here she be, guys. Let's do it upside down here. My RC table's not really that cleaned off, so I'm doing it on the floor. But yeah, I got the orange one, guys. I like the black one, but I love the orange one way better. Alright, guys, well, here's some of the stuff that's on the box when you get it. As everyone knows, it's got the Spectrum systems in it. I mean, this truck looks pretty sick, and on video it doesn't do no justice, that's for sure. Alright, get that out of the way. Let's get this beast out. Yeah, guys, it definitely does no justice. Let's get the box over here, put it on top. Man, that is nice. I've been watching videos and videos on YouTube of this beast, and it really doesn't do any justice, guys, I'm telling you. I mean, I'm definitely going to end up putting sway bars on the back. I've seen a lot of people do, or either double up on the shocks. But you got the battery department area in here. I'm not taking the pins off right now, but you lift this piece up, your battery goes in there. I definitely like how the ESC is in the middle. It definitely looks cool. This thing is sick. In the box too, you got your 4 AA batteries, your paperwork. Well, we're gonna get a battery in there, and we are gonna be outside. My wife wants to put the mini truck up to it. Yep. This is the SCX 24. I can crawl right underneath it. And then we got the 6x6 I just got today too. We are definitely going to start having a lot more fun, guys. But enough said. Let's go outside and see this baby in action. What's up, guys? We are outside. We got out here on 4S. Oh yeah, she torques up a little bit. Look at that. Oh. Oh, roll over. Guys, I definitely have to get that sway bar or double up on the shocks in the back. Anybody should do that as soon as they get it. So if you guys order one of these, definitely order the sway bar or second pair of shocks. I don't know what's gonna be better. Ooh, guys, I don't know, should I? Should I? Yeah, what the hell? Oh, oh. Totally missed it. Landed hard too, but she's not broken. Man, she's very tippy. Very tippy. That time I wasn't even giving her any and she rolled over. Oh, she moves though. Guys, I'm super excited. I haven't bought a brand new RC in a long time. I've been just wheeling and dealing and trading mostly, or building one. But this is my first time in a long time buying a ready to run RC. And I'm kind of glad I went with this one, because I wasn't sure what I was gonna go with. Oh, as soon as I get in this field, it rolls. Oh yeah, she picks up the front end hardcore. So I definitely gotta order a sway bar for it. I mean, I don't have much like hills or anything to climb it over here, but oh, there she goes again. Oh, she is badass, guys. Really badass. I just wish I was at like a pit or something. I keep rolling her over. Pretty tippy. I definitely like how it tells you how much battery life it has. That's pretty awesome. Let's go down to the trail, see what we can get into. This thing's gonna be a lot of fun if I take it down to the dam, that's for sure. Kind of want to get better tires for it, like mud tires almost. And now that I got that 6x6, I was thinking about getting a trailer so I can tow this bad boy around, or either tow it with the Bronco. But I'll end up doing probably the 6x6. And guys, you know it. Definitely subscribe and leave a like, guys. We are definitely gonna be getting big into the scale trucks and like trucks like these, the rock bounces and stuff. Oh, there you go. She is torquey. Oh, snap. Yep, as soon as I'm done this video, I'm going inside and probably ordering those. I need to. Yeah, I need to. It just rolls right over. Alright, let's go up here. I know there's a little lip of a rock edge up here, so. Guys, that was definitely a nice flip that the Axial did. Landed it too. The first one I didn't, but that one I did. I should have been smarter, knowing how many videos I watched about this rig. I should have bought in a sway bar at the beginning, but that's okay. I mean, at least I got the truck now. So, I can't even just pin them. There we go. Oh, I thought that was gonna be cooler, but I guess not. Didn't land that one. Nor did I see it. Alright, enough beating on it like that. I just got it. I don't want to break things now. We're gonna have two of these around here, two also guys. My wife's uncle bought one. He bought an orange one just like me. So whoops, not into the rocks. Ooh. Oh, right in the tree. Pay attention, dumbass. I'm telling you, the driver in here don't know how to drive. Gotta go back to driving school, guy. Don't mind me, guys. A little humor, you know. That was nice. Went right through that. This thing definitely don't like to going slow though. That's why people always tell you, if you want a rock crawler, don't expect this thing to be crawling, because it does have open diffs. There's no lockers in it, so. I mean, it might be able to crawl some things, but not all. Holy sh... Alright guys, just a little short video of me bashing around with it. Didn't break anything, which I'm shocked, because I thought I would hitting the plow truck. But I love this thing. This thing's sick. I'm glad I picked this as my choice. because I didn't know what I wanted to get. I was thinking about another scale truck. I was thinking about a basher. And then there was this. And when I got some money, I hit buy. I didn't even look at all the trucks. I was like, nope, buy. Alright guys. But once again, leave a like guys. Subscribe. Like always, I am out.